My dear elder, you may take 150 grams of protein daily, exercise 5 times a week, and even remember your omega-3s every morning. But if you're over 55 and skipping 2 vital nighttime supplements, your efforts are being wasted. No matter how well you train or eat, muscle growth will stall. You've been told omega-3s are the key to strength and recovery, but the truth is that advice is incomplete. Tonight, I'll reveal the 2 vitamins that truly rebuild muscle and reverse age-related loss while you sleep. 1. Why nighttime nutrition matters. Muscle is not just for strength. It's the organ that decides how long you stay healthy and independent. The more lean muscle you have, the better your protection against age-related decline. Yet muscle repair doesn't happen in the gym. It happens while you sleep, mainly between 12 a.m. and 2 a.m. During this window, your body releases growth hormones that rebuild tissue, restore balance, and preserve vitality. But after 55, this natural process slows. That's why these 2 supplements, taken at night, are so powerful. They restart what age has slowed down. 2. The first key, magnesium glycinate. The first essential supplement is magnesium glycinate, the most absorbable and gentle form for seniors. When taken before bed, it triggers protein synthesis, the process that repairs and rebuilds your muscles overnight. It also relaxes the nervous system, helping you enter deep restorative sleep, exactly when your growth hormone peaks. Without enough magnesium, even the best protein or workout routine won't work. That's because magnesium helps carry amino acids into your muscle cells. Without it, your body can't use the protein you eat. Unfortunately, nearly 80% of adults over 55 are magnesium deficient, and standard blood tests miss it. Only 1% of magnesium circulates in the blood. The rest hides in bones and tissues. To make things worse, common medications like diuretics, reflux pills, and diabetes drugs drain magnesium even faster. Age also lowers stomach acid, making it difficult to absorb magnesium from food alone. A 2023 study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that older adults who took magnesium at night gained measurable muscle mass and strength in just 12 weeks. For best results, take 300-400 ml of magnesium glycinate about 30 minutes before bed with a small glass of water. Prefer natural sources? Try a dinner of grilled salmon, sautéed spinach, and roasted pumpkin seeds, topped with a bit of dark chocolate. Together, they deliver more than 200 millicalors of magnesium and taste amazing. 3. The second key, zinc picolinate or glycinate. Now let's talk about zinc, the silent partner that makes magnesium work. Without zinc, magnesium alone can't rebuild muscle effectively. Zinc drives over 300 enzymes that convert protein into real muscle tissue. The best forms for seniors are zinc picolinate or zinc glycinate because they absorb far better than zinc oxide. When taken at night, zinc increases testosterone production, boosts growth hormone, and strengthens immune defenses, all vital for maintaining lean muscle. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that seniors taking zinc before bed experienced a 30% boost in muscle strength and improved lean mass compared to those who didn't. Take 15 to 30 milligrams of zinc picolinate or glycinate about 30 minutes before bed, ideally on an empty stomach or 2 hours after dinner. Avoid pairing it with calcium or iron. They block its absorption. If you prefer natural foods, try a meal of grass-fed beef, chickpeas, mushrooms, and asparagus, finished with a handful of pumpkin seeds. 4. The hidden enemies at night. Now, my dear elder, this part is crucial. Many seniors unknowingly cancel out their magnesium and zinc benefits by taking the wrong supplements at night. Here are 3 to completely avoid before bed. 1. Iron supplements. Iron taken at night disrupts sleep by causing cramps and nausea, robbing your body of the deep rest it needs for muscle repair. It also blocks magnesium and zinc absorption. Iron works best in the morning with vitamin C-rich foods like oranges or berries. 2. B-complex vitamins. These are excellent for energy, but only during the day. At night, they overstimulate your nervous system like coffee, keeping you awake and preventing the deep REM stages when muscles heal. Studies show nighttime B vitamins delay sleep onset and reduce muscle recovery. Take them with breakfast instead. 3. High-dose calcium without magnesium. Calcium alone at night is a big mistake. It competes with magnesium, leading to stiffness, cramps, and even calcium buildup in soft tissues, including muscles and arteries. Always balance calcium and magnesium during the day, ideally in a 2:1 ratio with meals. 5. Real results in real people. I've seen these changes firsthand. Margaret, age 62, was losing muscle despite exercising daily. She took iron at night. When she switched to morning iron and added magnesium and zinc before bed, she gained 5 pounds of lean muscle in 3 months. Ryan, 68, couldn't sleep because of nighttime B vitamins. After moving them to morning, his deep sleep returned and his strength improved in weeks. Dorothy, 71, suffered nightly cramps from high calcium doses. By swapping to magnesium glycinate and spacing calcium with meals, her cramps vanished and flexibility returned. 6. Your next step. My dear elder, think about your own routine. Which of these mistakes might you be making? If you're serious about regaining strength, combine magnesium glycinate and zinc glycinate before bed, and avoid those 3 nighttime disruptors. I've also designed a 30-day muscle rebuild meal plan with over 90 magnesium and zinc-rich recipes perfectly timed for overnight recovery. You'll find it in the description and pinned comment. And tomorrow, I'll reveal a clinically proven nighttime ritual that increases muscle mass by 34% in adults over 60 without changing your workout routine. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Your strength, energy, and confidence can return even now. It starts tonight.